In this video, you'll learn how to add an image gallery to your website. Begin by going to the page where you want to show the image gallery. In this case, I'll add the image gallery to my zebra page. Click the pencil button to edit. Now we want to insert something called a table. To do that, go to the Table menu, click it once, and then slide over Insert Table, and slide over squares so that you paint blue squares in the shape of the table you want. Then click. Here's my table. Each of the little squares is called a cell. I'm going to click in the first cell. Now I need to go to Google Images and get an image. So in another tab, actually I'm going to start at the beginning here. I'm going to go to Google Images, search for zebras. Make sure that I have copyright permission by clicking Search Tools, Usage Rights, labeled for reuse. This is a nice picture. I'm going to click it once, click View Image, right-click, and copy image. Now I'll return to my website by clicking its tab. I'm going to click in the first cell, right-click, and paste. Now the image is too big because I want to fit 4 images on the page, so I will click it once and choose small. Now I'm ready to repeat the process for the other 3 cells. I'm going to do this rather quickly. I'm going to return to Google and find my other 3 images. Return to my website, click in the second cell, and paste. Make the image smaller. Return to Google Sites. Oops, too far. Let's get these guys. Image, right-click and copy image. Return to my website, click in the third cell. Make the image smaller. Finally, one more picture. Return to my website, click in the fourth cell and paste. Make this image smaller. So now I have my image gallery. I'm going to make a few adjustments to it. First, I'm going to make it fill the whole page here. And I do that by clicking on the first cell I want to make a little wider. I want to see these little squares called handles around the outside. I did that by clicking the border of the cell. Now I can press the mouse button down and drag, and then release the mouse button when the cell's the size I want. Let's do the same thing here. Press and hold and drag. I'm just going to do that over and over again until I get the table the size I want. That looks pretty good. Now I want to center the images in their cells, so I click the first cell and then align center. And that looks pretty nice. I could make one more change. I could get rid of these borders so that I don't have anything separating the pictures. This is optional. Some people like the borders and some don't. If you want to get rid of the borders, click inside a cell, then look for this button called HTML and click it once. Now this is a pretty scary looking page, but you only have to make one small change on it. Find the word style and click in front of it. Then drag your mouse all the way through until you get to just past where it says border width 1 px, 1 pixel. Release the mouse button so that's selected. Then press your delete key. Now change border equal 1 to border equals 0. Click Update. and the borders are gone. Click Save Your Page, and you have a lovely image gallery.